Are you gonna come in? Yeah. It's on. It's on. Anyways. Well, he just farted in my face. No, wait.
No, you pushed me off you. That's
No.
what you want.
No, it's not. That was way taller than me right now. He just farted on my face. Can I fart on your face?
No.
Can I?
Disrespectful.
Who cares? You don't even look high, Lane. Stop lying.
Oh my god.
No, he's not. No, you're not. Stop acting like I was. Stop.
I just want to hug you. Shut the fuck up.
Stop, Lane. Your hot breath is ticklish on my stomach. Stop. Stop. Lane, I feel so weird. Please stop. Please stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh yeah.
Unnecessary. Ooh. Did you guys see that? He just raped me. He just raped me on camera. Say bye. Tell them that they're beautiful and that. Tell them that they'll never. Tell them that they'll find a boyfriend like you one day, and that there's somebody's out there. I found mine already. But you gotta tell all these people that they're gonna find theirs.
I gotta give a message to the people.
Yeah, and be like, you're gonna find your loved one, just like I did. And tell them that they're beautiful too. Send a message. Send a message.
Men and women all across the world. Most of you are probably lonely right now. No worries. You'll find somebody. Kind of like how I found her.
Do I look stupid?
Yes, you do.
I did.
Mhm.
Okay, anyways.
You'll find them. Because you're beautiful. You, and I'm talking about you.
You look like a major creeper.
Are beautiful.
Hey, wait, I want to show the camera your eyeballs.
Inside and out. Huh?
Can I show the camera your eyeballs?
No.
Come on, please. They're so pretty.
You're so pretty.
Hey, okay, come by. Stop it. My boyfriend's better than yours, haha.